Hey, fellow food enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, the ultimate destination for all things culinary. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of the kitchen, exploring the top 10 cooking basics and kitchen tips that will transform your cooking game. If you're hungry for knowledge, hit that subscribe button and join our food-loving community. Creating a foundation in the culinary arts involves mastering essential cooking basics and adopting valuable kitchen tips. Let's delve deep into each aspect, exploring the nuances that make them indispensable for home cooks seeking to elevate their skills and enjoy the art of cooking. Let's get cooking. Number 1. Knife skills. A chef's knife is an extension of their hand, and mastering knife skills is fundamental. Learn the art of chopping, dicing, slicing, and julienning. These basic cuts not only enhance the presentation of your dishes, but also contribute to even cooking. Keeping your knives sharp is crucial for precision and safety. Regularly hone and sharpen your knives to maintain their edge, making every culinary task more efficient and enjoyable. Number 2. Mise en place. The French term mise en place translates to everything in its place, and it's a cornerstone of professional kitchens. Before you start cooking, meticulously gather and prepare all your ingredients. Chop vegetables, measure out spices, and arrange everything within arm's reach. This organized approach streamlines the cooking process, allowing you to focus on the art of creating a delicious dish. Number 3. Flavor balancing. The art of flavor balancing stands as a chef's secret weapon, a skill that transforms a simple recipe into a symphony of tastes. It begins with a fundamental understanding of the 5 primary tastes: sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and umami. These elements serve as the palette upon which a chef paints their culinary masterpiece. By grasping the nuances of each taste, a chef gains the ability to craft well-balanced dishes that delight the palate. The interplay of these flavors is akin to a delicate dance, where sweetness may complement bitterness and umami may harmonize with acidity. Experimentation becomes the chef's playground in the pursuit of culinary perfection. It involves not only a deep understanding of the ingredients, but also a willingness to explore and push boundaries. Tasting as you cook emerges as a paramount practice in this creative process. The chef's palate becomes a guide, allowing for real-time adjustments to seasonings, acidity levels, and sweetness. Number 4. Temperature control. Mastery of temperature control is key to unlocking a world of culinary possibilities. High heat is ideal for searing meats, creating a flavorful crust. Low and slow cooking is perfect for braising, allowing flavors to develop and meats to become tender. Invest in a reliable thermometer to ensure precise temperatures, guaranteeing perfectly cooked dishes every time. Number 5. Proper food storage. Effective food storage is a vital aspect of maintaining freshness and preventing waste. Different foods have different storage requirements. Know which items belong in the fridge, freezer, or pantry. Label and date items to track freshness, and adhere to storage times to ensure both safety and quality. Number 6. Basic cooking techniques. Familiarizing yourself with fundamental cooking techniques opens a gateway to creativity in the kitchen. Sautéing quickly cooks ingredients in a pan, preserving their natural flavors. Roasting imparts a rich taste to meats and vegetables. Boiling is perfect for pasta and grains, while steaming retains the freshness of vegetables. Braising results in tender and flavorful dishes. Each technique brings its unique contribution to the culinary symphony. Number 7. Read recipes before starting. A crucial habit for any cook is to read a recipe thoroughly before embarking on the cooking journey. This initial step is like a roadmap, providing a clear understanding of the culinary adventure ahead. By comprehending the steps involved, you can anticipate the flow of the cooking process, ensuring a smoother and more efficient experience. Moreover, taking the time to gather all necessary ingredients in advance is a practice that minimizes interruptions and prevents last-minute surprises. Whether it's measuring out spices, chopping vegetables, or marinating proteins, having everything within arm's reach enhances your ability to focus on the creative aspects of cooking. Additionally, ensuring you have the required equipment ready further contributes to the seamless execution of a recipe. From the right pots and pans to specific utensils or appliances, having these essentials prepared in advance streamlines your workflow. This level of preparedness not only saves time, but also allows you to immerse yourself in the art of cooking, fostering a sense of confidence and control in the kitchen. Number 8. Tasting and adjusting. A mark of a skilled chef is the ability to taste and adjust throughout the cooking process. Regularly sampling your food allows you to make nuanced adjustments, whether it's a pinch of salt, a squeeze of lemon, or a hint of sweetness. This iterative process ensures the final dish meets your taste preferences and attains perfection. Number 9. Proper measuring techniques. Precision is paramount in baking, making proper measuring techniques essential. Use dry measuring cups for flour, sugar, and other dry ingredients, leveling them off for accuracy. Liquid ingredients require measurement in glass or plastic liquid measuring cups at eye level. Understanding these distinctions and adhering to precise measurements ensures consistency and success in baking endeavors. Number 10. Clean as you go. Maintaining a clean workspace is a practice that significantly contributes to the joy of cooking. Cleaning as you go not only keeps your kitchen organized, but also enhances efficiency. Wipe down surfaces, wash utensils, and organize ingredients as you progress through the recipe. The result is a more enjoyable cooking experience and a kitchen that remains inviting rather than chaotic after the meal is complete. In conclusion, these cooking basics and kitchen tips constitute the bedrock of culinary proficiency. Incorporating them into your cooking routine not only enhances the quality of your dishes, but also transforms the kitchen into a space of creativity and enjoyment. Whether you're a novice or an experienced chef, revisiting these fundamentals refines your skills and opens doors to new culinary horizons. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow kitchen enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe for more culinary adventures. Thanks for joining. Until next time, happy cooking.